Okay, today we'll understand class 6 exercise 2, chapter 1 knowing this. Find the difference between greatest and the least 5 digit number that can be 7. Question we use only solve this. What we need to say, write the greatest number and smallest number. First is write the using this, which are those 2, 7, 4, and what is the condition? Once is do this, what we will do first, we'll write the greatest 5 digit number. So greatest 5 digit. How can we write greatest 5 digit? To write in descending order. First 7, 4, 3, greatest 5 digit number. Next, what we have to do, least 5 digit number we need to write. So 5 digit number, 5 digit, least 5 digit number. You can write in ascending order. So we get the least 5 digit. What are those? 2, 2, then 3, 4, 7. So the least 5 digit number. What they are asking, what we need to find, writing using the system. Find the difference. Have to do difference means we have to subtract. So we have to subtract. I will subtract now. Greatest number minus smallest number. This 5 digit number I subtract from greatest 5 digit number. What we will get? 12 minus 7, 5. Carry 1. 13 minus 7, 6. Minus 5. Minus 5, 9. 6 minus 4, 7 minus 5. The difference between greatest number and least 5 digit. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe.